They thought the Order of the Veiled Serpent was just a myth, a ghost story whispered by historians. They were wrong. For centuries, this clandestine society was believed to have vanished, its members scattered, its rituals lost to time. But some fires are never truly extinguished. They just smolder in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to ignite. Tonight, that moment arrives. This isn't just a gathering. It's a resurrection. We've unearthed the lost manuscripts, deciphered the celestial charts, and rediscovered the ancient rites. Deep beneath the city, in places the modern world has forgotten, the faithful are You're looking at a genuine ritual schedule, passed down through secret lineages. The timings are precise, the incantations potent. They say you can't destroy an idea. The Order is more than an idea. It's a living current of knowledge, an unbroken chain stretching back to antiquity. The world above sleeps, oblivious, while down here, we prepare to reclaim our legacy. We're not just reading history. We're about to rewrite it. Every symbol you see, every candle's flame, holds a purpose. These aren't just arcane theatrics. This is the delicate process of breathing life back into a body that was never truly dead. They try to erase us, burn our texts, and hunt us down. But the serpent always sheds its skin, only to emerge stronger. What is our purpose? What secrets have we guarded for so long? The answers are coming. The world believes we are extinct, a footnote in a forgotten book. But tonight, a new chapter begins. They think we can never be destroyed. Watch how we rise again. If this journey into the hidden corners of history intrigues you, make sure to follow and subscribe. The veil is lifting, and you won't want to miss what comes next. Thank you for watching.